Your car?
Yes, let's go.
Well, careful. Yeah, they're not laid in. I know.
Hey, go get in your car. Hey, hold on, let's have it strap you in. Now, here's the steering wheel. Press the pedal. You see the pedal? See the pedal, honey? Press it. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Press pedal. Whoa! Whoa! Get off! Get off! Get off the pedal! Okay.
It's okay.
Get forward. Press the pedal. And steer, honey.
That's the slow speed?
Press it. Press the pedal. Press the pedal. Steer. Good. That's silly.
Uh-oh, Dad, you're going to have to intervene there.
Press the pedal.
Keep going. Do it, girlfriend. Up the hill.
You gotta press it, honey.
Do you have your own car? The grass is wet.
It really needs that second speed.
Yeah, it does.
Press. We need to put like rubber tracking on.
Well, the grass is wet. That's all it's about.
Honey, don't
She drives like you do.
steer, steer. Honey, you gotta steer. Press it. Press.
Oh. Woohoo, she says.
Is that fun?
Yes, let's go up.
Okay, press.
I predict you're going to be spending part of your day out here. Zoe, this one's from Mimi. Mimi bought you a car. Mimi and Tucky, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you to Mimi.
Thank you.
Press it. Do you like your car?
Yeah.
Push. You gotta push. Honey, you gotta push the pedal.
She drives just like you do.
Now we can go.
You wanna get out?